It's candy corn season, and this is one of my favorite candies this time of year, so we're going to take it for some inspiration and make this cute, cuddly candy corn monster. I lined out my design with a chalk pencil and filled it in with some Liquitex gesso, and now we're going to fill in the main body with this beautiful orange color. I'm taking kind of a fine detail brush, and I'm going to go around and do the outsides first because I want there to be some kind of like fluff or hair, so it's not a smooth shape necessarily. So I'm creating that kind of fluff and hair and doing the edges first, and then I'm going to come back and fill it in with the color. And orange can be a tricky color to get full coverage, so I know I'm going to have to come back through and give a second coat on all of this, but I just want to get those edges first as a border, because sometimes when you come through with a bigger brush, you can get a little crazy on the outer parts, right? And you might go outside of your border. It's like coloring outside of the lines. So I'm doing it with a more detailed brush first, and then coming back in with the bigger square brush to fill it in. I didn't spend a lot of time showing you drawing it out because it didn't show very well in the video, but I think you're going to get the gist of the shape of the design once you see us get some color down and fill it in. I'm going to take this Sunbeam Yellow and a detailed brush again, and I am creating the start of the candy corn. And so I guess some people might think these are going to be ears. I was thinking of more of them as like really cute horns because this is a cute monster. So whatever floats your boat, if they're ears or they are horns, they're going to be candy corns. So I'm laying this paint down for the first layer on the candy corn. And then I'm also going to have the feet be the same color as the base of the candy corn. So just filling those in. It's a light color. It's going to need more coats. We just kind of have to go with that. Now I'm coming back in and adding that second coat of orange and doing the same thing again, doing the outline, getting those filled in, and then I'm going to come back in with the bigger brush and just really fill in the middle. You can kind of see where there's some spots that it doesn't have the most solid coverage, and we're just going to make this guy the prettiest color orange so we can then add some details on top. And in all my excitement over the cuteness, I forgot to hit record when I started to put the orange stripe on the candy corn. So you get to see the cleanup of that and adding a little more color to it. But the second stripe on the candy corn horns or ears, whatever they are to you, is going to be the same orange that is in the body of our little soft monster. And then of course, the last color is filling in the tops of the candy corn with white paint. I'm using a disposable eyeliner brush so I can get some nice precision and detail there. Then I'm going to take a dotting tool and some black paint and create some big googly eyes. So I usually line up over the first eye and then just move over so that they're lined up. And then I'm taking a disposable eyeliner brush to just kind of smooth out the paint. Next, I'm going to take my Posca PC1MR paint pen and I'm going to create this kind of wavy mouth sort of smile. And in those two dips, I'm going to take a white Posca PC1MR and create these kind of rounded triangles to create little teeth. And so this monster looks very cute to me. It's not a scary monster, so this is a really fun design to give or hide somewhere where you know there's kids. Because I think it's cute. It kind of reminds me of a child or a kid monster, baby monster, right? It's not scary yet, but it's got all the elements of, you know, these crazy teeth and horns that are candy corn, so it's perfect for Halloween. Now I'm going to come through with a nail dotting tool, and I'm going to use the big end first to create some pupils in the eyes and then use the small side as well. And I'm cleaning up the smile, making sure the line is thick and it's covering up any overshot of the white paint for the mouth. And then I decided I wanted to add some little fuzzy hairs off the top of the head between the two little horns. I thought that would add a nice cute element and kind of match up with the sides. And I also played around with another couple classic Halloween colors, the green and the purple, but I think these could be in any color combination, and it's the candy corn that brings out the spooky season. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch. I hope you got some inspiration out of this video. I'm gonna go eat some more candy corn and paint rocks. Take care, and I'll see you next time.